very warm and healthy good morning to the galaxy of intellectuals and all dignitaries. Myself, Professor Dr. Subhasri Sahu, HOD, Department of Pharmaceutics. It is a great pleasure for me to welcome all dignitaries to the International Conference on New Horizons in Pharmaceutical Research 2021, HPR 2021, organized by Kanagmanjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Chain Rourkela, India, in association with Indian Society of Technical Education, IST, New Delhi, India. We pray to Lord Ganesha that he makes this event successful and bless us. We request him to grace us so that this event completes without any obstacles. Now allow me to invite Ms. Saubhagya Lakshmi Mudili to chant Ganesh Bandana. Over to Saubhagya Lakshmi, please.
All of you.
Yes, you are correct.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to all of you.
गणनायकाय गणदेवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानोत्तरात्मने गानसुखाय गानमुक्ताय गानसुखमन्ते गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदेवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुरुगणाय गुरुवे गुणगाय ग्रन्थगीताय ग्रन्थगेयाय ग्रन्थान्तरात्मने गीतलीलाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवाद्यपटवे ध्येयचरिताय गायगराय गन्धर्वप्रीकृते गायकाधीन विग्रहाय गङ्गाजलप्रणवते गौरी नन्दनाय गौरी नन्दनाय गौरवानुसुताय गौरी गणेशराय गौरी प्रणयाय गौरी प्रवणाय गौरभावाय धीमहि उषसहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shavaya Lakshmi. We have felt the presence of God through the program. We understand how time is precious to you and will not love to waste it. It is a great honor bestowed upon me by Lord Ganesha to invite Dr. Sri Patnaik, Vice Chairman, Kanak Manjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Rourkela, to address our dignitaries. Madam, please.
Yes. Thank you, Subhashri ma'am. A very good and beautiful morning to all of you. At the outset, let me express my sincere appreciation for the honor to welcome our chairman, Sir Dr. Biswaranjan Patnaik, our chief guest for today's international conference, Professor Dr. Chittaranjan Tripathi, Sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Biju Patnaik University of Technology, Rourkela, Odisha, keynote speakers, advisory committee, distinguished heads of Department of Pharmacy, invited guests, participants, and thank you so much to officiate this international conference. It gives me tremendous contentment to be amongst esteemed personalities who have won accolades in respective fields. It is such an opportune moment for Kanak Manjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences to organize this international conference with the topic New Horizons in Pharmaceutical Research. Concluding, I ensure this international conference shall be a successful and enlightening one for all of us present here. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Thank you so much for your kind attention. Over to you, Shubhashri ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam, for addressing our dignitaries. It is a matter of great pleasure and honor for me to welcome our Principal, Professor Dr. Biswaranjan Behera, sir, to welcome our chief guest and all dignitaries. Sir, please.
Thank you, Madam. Thank you, Subhashri, Madam. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome one and all on the opening session of International Conference 2021 on New Horizons in Pharmaceutical Research, being organized by Kanak Manjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Rourkela, Odisha. First of all, let me say by starting the presence of our chief guest, Professor Dr. Chittaranjan Tripathi sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, BPUT Rourkela, guest of honor, Dr. Navrata Pathak, Director and Associate Head Technology Mission Division, Department of Science and Technology, New Delhi. Guest of honor, Sri Himanshu Shekhar Behera, Registrar, Vijay Patnaik University of Technology, Rourkela, Odisha. Dr. Biswaranjan Patnaik, Honorable Chairman, Kanak Manjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Rourkela, and the Chief Patron of today's conference, Dr. Sri Patnaik Madam, Mr. Abhishek Patnaik, Honorable Vice Chairman and Patron, Professor Dr. Prabhat Kumar Sahu, Director, Delhi Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research, University of Delhi, New Delhi, Professor Dr. Monika Machoy, Division of Orthodontics, Pomerian Medical University, Poland, Professor Dr. Kunal Pal, Department of Biotechnology and Medical Engineering, National Institute of Technology, Rourkela, Odisha, Dr. Suranga Vikramarchi, Department of Chemistry, University of Kelania, Sri Lanka, Dr. Indranil Banerjee, Department of Bioscience and Bioengineering, IIT Jodhpur, Professor Dr. Sulomir Wojcinski, Department of Basic Biomedical Science, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Medical University, Silesia, Poland, Professor Dr. Subhakant Das, Principal, Regional Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology, West Tripura, India, Professor Dr. C.K. Chakraborty Sir, School of Pharmacy, New Tia University, West Bengal, Dr. Manas Ranjan Naik, PIC Research and Development, BPUT Rourkela, and Professor S.N. Sinha Sir, ex-Deputy Director, Indian Jute Research Association, West Bengal, India, all distinguished participants, all organizing committee members, all advisory committee members, all my teacher colleagues, and all staffs, members of our institution. Ladies and gentlemen, the main objective of this conference is to provide a common platform to pharmaceutical teachers, scientists, and students to discuss the diverse issues related to current status, latest advances, problem faced, and possible solutions in all the field of pharmaceutical sciences and also the allied sciences, including pharmaceutical technology, pharmacology, biotechnology, phytochemistry, etc. As you all know that as more and more innovative drugs products are going off patent protection, there is an urgent need to carry extensive drug research and development, and it is now become the center of attention of many pharmaceutical industry to begin on the research for new or alternative medicines that can treat critical and or life-threatening diseases, which can ultimately solve the global health challenges and achieving sustainable development goals on health. I am not going to take much of your time, as I know that all our distinguished speakers will enlighten all of you elaborately on the topic of the conference. Hope you will all enjoy this session. Thank you. Thank you. Over to Subhasri Madam. Sorry. Now I am request Professor Dr. Bhupen Chandra Behera sir to give the detailed biodata of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Vijay Patnaik University of Technology, Odisha. Over to Bhupen sir.
Thank you, Dr. Behera. A very warm good morning to one and all present over here. On behalf of the entire organization, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our chief guest, Professor Dr. Chittaranjan Tripathi, all the eminent keynote speaker, and our chief patron, Dr. Biswaranjan Patnaik sir, and all my colleagues of the today event. I am honored and fortunate enough to introduce Professor Dr. Chittaranjan Tripathi. He is a highly respected and accomplished academician, researcher, and professional with several work up to his credit. To begin with, he has completed his MTech PhD from the prestigious IIT Kharagpur and has a great academic experience of many fruitful years. He has contributed immensely to the field of research and was awarded with Sir Thomas Watt Memorial Gold Medal and various other notable awards. Throughout his tenure, he has held several posts and positions and displayed his versatility in every sphere. To name a few, he served as an assistant engineer in Upper Ola Power Project, Government of Odisha, Vice Chancellor of VSSUT, Principal UCE, among others. Not to forget that under his tenure as Vice Chancellor, Sambalpur University has undergone an all-round development in every field and was accredited with NAAC A grade in 2016. He has published more than 120 papers in many reputed international as well as national journals, including Elsevier and Springer. His profound career is highly recognized and was
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
glory of
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request our chairman, sir, to welcome our honorable vice chancellor, sir.
On behalf of the Kannada Manjari Institute, I welcome Professor Dr. Chitranjan Tripathi, Vice Chancellor of the QT. Our Vice Chancellor, sir, it is needless to say that all at the time of difficulties, the university has gone steps ahead during your tenure. During the time of Corona, you have managed to conduct the university examination and other academic activities successfully, among which very few universities have achieved in the country. I congratulate for the same and thank you also. I am certainly grateful to you for courteously and gladly accepting our invitation to become the chief guest of the occasion. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable words. Thank you very much, chairman, sir. The fragrance of flowers spread only in the direction of wind, but the goodness of an eminent personality spreads in all directions. We are very fortunate to have our honorable vice chancellor with us this morning as chief guest. Now, I request our distinguished chief guest, honorable vice chancellor sir, to inaugurate International Conference on New Horizons in Pharmaceutical Research 2021, ICNHPR 2021, organized by Kanak Manjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Chand, Rourkela, India, in association with Indian Society of Technical Education, IST, New Delhi, India. Sir, please.
Esteemed Chairman of KMIPS, Rourkela, Dr. Vishwaranjan Patnaik, esteemed Vice Chairman, Vice Chairperson, Dr. Sri Patnaik Madam, Principal Dr. Vishwaranjan Behera, Subhasri Madam, the guests of honor, Dr. Namrata Pathak from Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, Sri Himanshu Shekhar Behera, Registrar BPUT, Dr. Manas Ranjan Naik, PIC R&D BPUT Rourkela, Dr. Prabhat Kumar Sahu, Director DIPSR New Delhi, Dr. Subhakant Das, Principal RIPSAT West Tripura, Dr. C.K. Chakravarti from Neosia University West Bengal, Dr. S.N. Sinha, ex-director Indian Jute Industries Research Association West Bengal, and also the distinguished speakers who will be taking part in different sessions. Professor Kunal Pal from National Institute of Technology Rourkela, Dr. Monica McCoy from Poland, Professor Indranil Banerjee from IIT Jodhpur, Dr. Surang from Sri Lanka, Professor Sahu, I have already mentioned, Dr. Slavomir from Silesia, and all others present here, all the participants, all the researchers who are taking part in this international conference on New Horizons in Pharmaceutical Research, organized by KIPS. On behalf of the university, first I extend my congratulations to KMIPS Rourkela for organizing such a nice event. Your institution have been recognized as a nodal center of research, but I understand by the university BPUT, you are really doing your job. So, and also I am very much happy that you could manage to invite many distinguished speakers who are scientists and very experts in their field from around the globe. So this is a good news for all of us. All other institutions will be inspired by these activities. I am also, though I am not an expert in this field, but I am made to understand that today and tomorrow deliberations will be done on many advanced fields of pharmaceutical research, that is liquid-based drug delivery system, advances and new trends in dental pharmacotherapy, emerging role of microfluidics in diagnostics and pharmaceutical research, endolichenic fungi, a treasure trove for discovery of novel bioactive compounds, changing scenario in pharmacy education as per the National Education Policy 2020, new methods of identifying counterfeit drugs, pharmaceutical science in drugs design and development, pharma industries in the nation development, role of biomedical engineering in formulation development, different approaches in novel drug delivery system, role of natural products in healthcare, cancer research, tissue engineering, gene delivery, nanoscience in biomedical applications, electronic devices in drug delivery, to mention a few. I am also very much happy to know that you are also going to award Lifetime Achievement Award, Best Research Scholar Award, Distinguished Scientist Award, Young Woman Scientist Award, Excellence in Oral Presentation, Excellence in Poster Presentation, and Young Scientist Award in this conference. These are all good news. With this, I conclude. I wish this international conference a great success. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Subhasri Madam.
Yes, sir. Now, sir will inaugurate. Padjoshi sir will assist in this inauguration process.
शुभश्री मैडम,
सर टिके वेट करन सर सर करिवे भाइस चांसलर इनागुरेट करिवे।
अच्छा
नहीं था सर। Respected sir, with due respect, I would like to thank you for your kind arrival and encouragement at International Conference on New Horizon on Pharmaceutical Research 2021 organized by Kanak Manjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Rourkela, in association with IST New Delhi, India. We felt great pleasure to have you among us on this event. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you, sir. It's really a great pleasure for us that our Honorable Vice Chancellor arrived with us and joined with this international conference. It is an honor to be surrounded by us many special people and to be blessed in the fellowship of this gracious occasion. Now I request Dr. P.K. Palai, sir, to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Manas Ranjan Naik, PIC, Research and Development, Biju Patnaik University of Technology, Rourkela, to grace the platform. Over to Palai, sir.
Thank you, madam. Very good morning to all dignitaries present in this auspicious occasion. Let me welcome each one of you to the opening ceremony of International Conference on New Horizon in Pharmaceutical Research 2021. It is an honor for me to welcome Dr. Manas Ranjan Nayak sir, PIC Research and Development, PPUT Odisha. The first line in my introduction about Dr. Manas Ranjan Nayak is one of the advisory committee member, is incredibly awesome and has presented in over the different corners of scientific world. He did his PhD in electrical engineering, emphasis on power system. Sir has completed his master's in electrical engineering from UC Bulla and BTech from IGIT Sarang. He is interested in the real world driven problem solving like renewable energy integration, energy storage, electrical vehicles, energy management, and intelligent controlling the smart distribution of grid. He has published a good number of scientific papers in high impact factor journals, which are cited in good journals. Let us welcome Dr. Manas Ranjan Nayak sir, DPUT Odisha, to our international conference. Sir.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning to one and all present here. Respected Professor Chittaranjan Tripathi, Honorable Vice Chancellor, BPUT Odisha Rourkela, Chairman, KMIPS Rourkela, Vice Chairman, Kanagamanjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Science Rourkela, Sri Himanshu Shekhar Behera, Register BPUT Odisha, Professor Prabhat Kumar Sahu, Director DIP SAR New Delhi, Professor Dr. Subhakanta Das, Principal RIP SIT West Tripura, Professor C.K. Chakravarti, the Neotia University West Bengal, Professor S.N. Sinha, ex-Deputy Director, India Jute Industry Research Association West Bengal, India, and distinguished speakers, Principal of KMIPS, Kanagamanjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Science, Rourkela, Convener, Dr. Subhasri Sahu of KMIPS, Rourkela, and faculty members, research scholars, students present here. So here, this conference, I am happy to know that the campus is going to conduct an international conference so in e-conference mode. And here the conference adopt a timely theme, New Horizon in Pharmaceutical Research, that pharmaceutical technology has penetrated into virtually all areas of operation of education and entwined with educational practices to effectively benefit from technology applications, and it is necessary that education professionals set themselves ready for transforming their practices and keep identifying effective ways of transformation in their context. 5 BPUT Nodal Center of Research has been established under a Faculty of Pharmacy for PhD programs of the university as per BPUT PhD Regulation 2019. Kanagamanjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Science is one of the BPUT Nodal Center of Research. Research scholars have been chosen as Kanagamanjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Science for pursuing their research work, and this is a good sign for this institute because the scholars are choosing that institute for their research work. And I want to inform regarding the steps taken by the university for solving different problems of the different issues of the research scholars. And coursework allocation has been completed for the scholars who have joined in the last academic years in the nodal centers. And the university is also planning to provide the anti-plagiarism software to all BPUT Nodal Center of Research. And I want to inform to the research scholars and faculty members who are present here, the university has also giving the research awards to the faculty members and the research scholars every year in the University Foundation Day. And so in this conference, the organizing committee also decided to give the research awards in the different fields, and this is a very good step taken by this conference. And if you take a look at the conference program, you will agree that this conference is going to be busy and productive. This is a lot to offer for a 2 days event. Kanak Manjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Science organizes conferences constantly for faculty members and research scholars, students to gain knowledge, associating them with various aspects of life. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the chairman, vice chairman, principal, convener, and conference organizing committee for their diligent work. I would also like to thank invited speakers and the participants for joining in this international conference. I hope they will share their valuable experience and ideas. It is essential to bring together experts in this field of pharmaceutical technology in education so that we can realize together the potential of technology for education. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your stimulating speech and clarifying the mysteries of the areas of research. Thank you for giving your valuable time, sir, out of your busy schedule. Thank you, sir. Over to Subhasri, madam. Subhasri, madam. Over to Subhasri, madam.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, our PIC Deputy Raukla, Dr. Manas Ranjan Naik, sir. Now I request our Vice Chairman, Dr. C. Patnaik, to felicitate Dr. Manas Ranjan Naik, sir. Madam, please.
Yeah, thank you, Subhashri ma'am. I would like to felicitate Dr. Manas Ranjan Naik, sir, for his gracious presence for today's international conference at Kanak Manjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Raulkala. Sir, kindly accept this token of appreciation on the behalf of the entire Kanak Manjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences fraternity. Thank you so much again, sir, for your stimulating and interesting address, for your minute-to-minute information, your support and your guidance, and for encouraging today's international conference at every point of time. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Over to Subhashri, ma'am.
Thank you, madam. Now I am sharing the
Yes.
honor certificate.
Yes.
Thank you, madam.
Yes, sir. Manas, sir, please do accept this token of gesture from the KMIPS fraternity. Thank you for your valuable time.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you. Over to Subhashri, ma'am.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, Manas sir. Now, actually, we are waiting for the Shubhakant Das sir. Sir will join very soon. Let's wait for 1 to 2 minutes.
Subhasri madam. Subhasri madam.
Sir,
I think Dr. Subhakan Das sir has joined.
sir,
Hello.
for the information. Thank you, sir, for the information.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible. Now, I request Dr. Sri Mohanty Madam to welcome our advisory committee member, Professor Dr. Shubhakant Das, sir, Principal, Regional Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Technology, West Tripura, India.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you, Subhasri ma'am. A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to the International Conference on New Horizon in Pharmaceutical Research 2021. My name is Dr. Hitisri Mohanty and I am one of the coordinators of this program. We are very excited to see so many health professional students come out to the online conference and speakers who are so much dedicated to educate the next generation of health professionals. We strive to make this conference experience as enjoyable and informative to all. Now, I would like to turn your attention to this program. Of course, this event could not happen without the help of our supporters. Thank you to the Association of KMIPS for sponsoring this conference. And we are really honored by your support and presence here at the conference. And thank you to our speakers for near and far and volunteering your time to be with us. As a coordinator, it is an honor for me to introduce one of our advisory committee member, Professor Dr. Subhakant Das. Dr. Subhakant Das is currently working as a principal of Regional Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology, Government of Tripura. He did his BSc in Pharmacy from Barampur University in the year 2014. He has also so far authored more than 60 research articles, book, patent, and book chapters altogether. He was a member of Board of Studies in Pharmacy, such a reputed institute like NIPER Guwahati, Mizoram University, and Central University, Assam. He is also a member of Expert Committee for Inspection of AICT, PCI, and DTE. He has guided 12 PhD and more than 65 MPharm students. He is also a member of Education Division of IPA, APPI, IHPA, and many more. Moreover, he is also expertise his skill as a PhD examiner in BITS Pilani, University of Pune, Jadavpur University, Mumbai University, NTR Medical University, and many other universities. He has been expertise in the field of biopharmaceutics, pharmacokinetics, and clinical research, and as well as therapeutics drugs monitoring. Last but not least, he was an ex-student of Kanak Manjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. So, I am very much glad and it is humbling for me to introduce all of you today, Dr. Subhakant Das. So, please welcome. Sir, kindly join with us.
I think due to internet problem, he has left. I think he will join. Let us wait for some time. Let him join.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Subhasri madam.
Next.
Yes, sir. Sir is trying to join. Some network problem is there in Tripura. You know, sir.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହୁଥିଲି ଆପଣ ଫୋନ୍ ନହେଲେ ଟିକେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବୋଲି। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି।
କରି ସାରିଲେଣି sir.
Nitishree madam, Dr.
Yes,
Subhakanta Das
sir.
sir has joined.
Subhakant sir, please welcome, sir. Hello.
Sir, unmute କରନ୍ତୁ.
Okay,
Subhakant sir.
now I am audible, I think. Now I am audible.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, please welcome.
Yes, sir.
Sir, kindly deliver your views.
Okay, sorry I cannot join. Maybe due to the network problem. Hello.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You are audible, you are audible. Please
Okay.
carry on.
Okay then, okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Hello.
You are audible.
Hello.
You are audible.
Kindly continue, sir.
Okay then, okay. Okay then, okay. Thank you. Okay.
Itisri madam, once again you repeat.
From the starting, sir?
No. Once again you repeat, Dr. Subhagan sir.
Sir?
Once again you repeat. Okay.
Hello, Subhakan sir?
Yes.
Hello?
Can you start the program? Because
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I have to go in
Yes, sir.
some other. Oh, please start because you start the program, please.
Sir, Subhakan sir.
Please.
Sir, now we want to learn. That means to please deliver something for this meeting, as you are the advisory committee member of this
Okay.
international conference. So you give your sweet comments on this.
Okay. So first of all, I should thankful to the Kanagamanjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Science, Rourkela, to first of all to invite me for this international in conference line 2021. That is New Horizons in Pharmaceutical Research. As a alumni of this institution, it is my privilege to be advisor for this type of activities or this type of e-conference that Kanagamanjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology you are organizing. So this as the topic of this e-conference, I have gone through the detail, and previously also you contacted me. So detail of your whatever you have selected, all of your means speaker. That is, I should congratulate the staff, the means management, to invite the different keynote speaker from different area of the pharmaceutical science. So as everybody we know that the pharmaceutical research, particularly that in India, if you will speak, that pharmaceutical research and development, that is refers to the pharmaceutical research for the development of the new medicines. So this process actually it will begins with the understanding the disease and that selection of a target. Usually that we can mention it as a receptor that is on the cell, that can be which can be potentially affected by a drug molecule. Most commonly that the researchers generally use the high speed of the screening of a huge library that is available in the either in different literature or from different molecule that is available in the market or from the research that we can get. Most commonly, the researchers, they are use this high speed of your screening process for the identify of different molecules in a different type of activity. Now, during this present condition of the COVID-19, we can say that whatever we are, we are proud to say that the present vaccine that is developed in India, out of that, the 80% of the means that is professional who are involved for the development of the vaccines are from the pharmacy professionals. In the lab, the leading candidates, generally they are tested to see if they are absorbed, metabolized or excrete properly without being the toxic effect. Because we know that as a professional pharmacist, our main aim is that to get the maximum therapeutic activity with minimum adverse effect. And we have to see if they are distributed to the proper site of action. So accordingly, we can do the adjustment and we can improve their performance, and we can improve a drug, or we can develop a drug for the, after that, the general, your clinical trial, it will come to the clinical trial, and after completion of the clinical trial, it will come to the market. So I am not speaking in detail about about this, what are the different horizons, because I have seen that a different topic you have selected. Generally, that during this e-conference, I have seen it. Okay, so all are the topic that is covered during this e-conference that are very encourageable, and I think it will help to different students, different researchers who are involved in the pharmaceutical research for the development of the new drug. I have seen that many of the topics like you have selected, like the pharma industry in nation development, that pharmaceutical science in drug design and development, like a role of natural products in healthcare, like in cancer research. Number of disadvantages nowadays you are also facing. Number of limitations are there in India that we are facing for the development of the new drug. One of the area also that many of the scientists, because same scientists who are now living in India, they don't get the proper infrastructure, they don't get the proper funding for the development of the new drug. But the same scientists or same researchers, if they go outside, that India people, they are doing good and they are developing many drugs. So today also we have seen that during this Mongol Mars means mission, one of the India, that one of our ladies, our means scientist from India origins, she plays the means leading in the for the Mars project. So that if you can develop the infrastructure, we can develop the funding, then we will expect that in near future also that India will be the means India will play the means major role for the development of the new drug. Again, I am thankful to you because today, sorry already, because I am having other schedules are there. Morning also I have for JNTU, and now also again I have to proceed for the another, that is pharmacovigilance, that is interview is there in the Agartala Medical College, so I cannot give you that much time. But I will expect as Kanaka Manjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Science, the KIMS is my means mother, if I will say it is my mother, who has given me this profession. From this institution only, I was the first batch students of the means B Pharm from this institution. So I am the alumni of the institution. So this is my mother. So I am very much today, I am proud that I will be part and parcel of this program. And in the near future, if any type of invitation, that if anything I can contribute for the development of the Kanaka Manjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Science, then I will happy to involve in any type of activity. And if any type of cooperation you need from me or from the government, then I will extend my all type of support, and I will be there with you for the development of the institution. Again, I am thankful to means the management, the principal, particularly Patnaik sir, Behera sir, all are very much known to me, because before a few years, 2 to 3 years back, we first batch students, we had the alumni meeting in the means that in Rourkela only, that whatever your support and encouragement we got from the institute, that always we are there with Kanaka Manjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Science for the development. Again, I am thankful to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Subhakant Das sir, for your nice and informative deliverance in relation to the International Conference on New Horizon in Pharmaceutical Research 2021. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our chairman, sir, Dr. Biswaranjan Patnaik, sir, to felicitate Dr. Subhakant Das, sir. Sir, please.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Anyway, you have remembered us.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
You are best, and we are also remembering you always.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, please accept from the chairman, sir, the token of love and felicitation.
It is my privilege. Anything actually, sir, Subhasri is there. Anything you require, anything you need my support, anything I can contribute for the development of institute, then please don't you ask me. In fact, you order me also. That I am there. I am there always. Is there with you, sir.
Okay, we contact you, and it is already expressed through your speech that you are with the institute.
Yes, sir.
Madam, 21 years of teaching experience. He has 38 national and international publications in his name and has guided many PhD and MPharm students. He is a fellow of Institution of Chemists and also is in the editorial board of many journals like World Journal of Gastrointestinal Pathophysiology, Diabetes and Obesity International Journal, and Diabetes Research and Treatment. And not the least, she was also a faculty of our Kanak Manjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences earlier. So let me welcome Dr. Chakrabarty to this conference. Please, sir. Dr. Chakrabarty, is it audible to you, sir?
Actually, due to some inconvenience, and Dr. Sikki Chakrabarty sir is not joining with us due to some examination, sudden examination plan, all these things. Now, thank you very much, madam. Now, I want to take permission from our principal, Professor Dr. B.R. Behera, sir. Sir, can we close our this inauguration program now?
Yes. Is there anybody left? Means I can read. Is there anybody left, madam? So nobody left. I think we can conclude the inaugural session and we'll start the next one at 3 p.m.
Yes, sir. Thank you for all support of all participants. Again, we will sit and we'll meet on this platform only. We are going to share the link for the second session. Please go through your mail for the second session. Thank you for all cooperation again for this inauguration program of International Conference on New Horizons on Pharmaceutical Research 2021, organized by Kanak Manjari Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Rourkela, in association with IST New Delhi. Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Please do log in.